Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a frog on a lily pad. So I think this is going to end up being a really nice little picture. Let's see. It's okay if yours doesn't end up looking exactly like mine does. It's all just about having fun drawing. Alright, so I'm going to start with the frog's eye. So I'm going to do a circle here. Nice big circle. Not too big though. Okay, and now in that circle, I'm going to do like the shape of a lemon. And then I'm going to color in that lemon shape all black. Okay, now I'm going to start doing the shape of the frog's head. So I'm going to slope down a little bit. And then come on up a little. And then I'm going to do a little curved line here above his eye. And then now his other eye, we're going to do that same shape over here on the other side. So just a curve up there. So now we're going to slope on down a little bit more for his face. And then start to curve in. Wouldn't want his face to be too long. Curve in, curve down. We got a bit of a straight line here. And it's going to go on past his eye. This is his mouth. And then we're going to give it a little tiny curve up. So he gets like a little tiny frog smile. Okay. Now we're going to give him a little bottom lip. So I'm curving a little tiny bit for his bottom lip. And then we're going to continue following that straight line from the top part of his mouth. And then we're coming on down a bit. Down a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm going to start doing his back. Come on down. And he's got like a little bit of a hump here. So we're curving up now. It's got like a little bit of a hump, and then we're sloping downward again. Now right here, we're going to have his back leg. Okay, so we got kind of a shape like this. And then his little leg, it's going to have a curve right here. And then it's going to come inward. Now, on top of this line we just made, we're going to make another little line. It's going to be like his knee. Like that. And that's going to come on in and meet up right here. And now right here, this line, we are going to now start on his feet. So he's got like really long, like frog toes. So I made a little like frog toe here. And then we've got another really long froggy toe. And I'll put another little one sticking out right there underneath that knee. Okay. Now on the back side, he needs his other little leg too. So we'll see that poking out a little bit. So I'm going to curve downward and curve in. Okay, just shape like that. Now he needs his little froggy arms, his little front arms. So I'm going to do a sloping line like that and curve in for like a little his little elbow. And come on down a bit. And then give him a great big froggy finger. And then I'm going to give him another one. And then I'm going to start doing the other part of his arm here. And let that connect here, the other part. And give him another little froggy finger. And now that's connected. And now we're going to finish his little belly part here and connect it down here too. Okay, so we've got our little frog shape here. I'm going to draw in a few little parts now for our frog. So his eye here, there's going to be a line coming down, just coming across there from that eye. And then we're going to come down a bit and curve it a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to give him a little bit more of a bit of definition here on his little arm. And I'm also going to give him some little kind of like stripes on his leg, both legs. So I'm just giving these little lines. I'm going to do the same on both legs. So kind of just like zigzaggy lines. And now he needs his lily pad to be sitting on. So it's going to be like a great big oval. So that's going to be coming out here behind our frog. And don't forget to make your oval kind of slanted. It's not going to be a perfect looking oval. It's going to be kind of slanted because of the way that we're looking at our picture, the way that we're looking at our frog. And we're going to give our lily pad like a little slit so we can come on in and then come on out. Just like it was like a pizza and like a little tiny bit is missing out of the pizza or something. Okay, and now I'm going to start adding some color. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture of our frog on the lily pad. So I hope you had a good time drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next daily doodle. Alright everybody, bye!